Hey guys, I'm GPL here with another video. So today, unexpectedly, I got some Adidas NMDs in the triple black colorway. It's the recycled version, so it's not the prime knit version. And I must say, I've wanted these for a while. Again, I seem to be getting shoes that I've wanted for like 5 years, but I just got around to getting them now. So I'm pretty happy about it. So as you guys can see, here's the box and stuff over there. The size right there, size 11. It's just a normal blue box with the recycled material, so you guys can see that logo there. So I mean, Adidas is doing their thing, right? So what I gotta do here is, let's get these bad boys out. So here they are, the Adidas NMDs. Look at that, see? Now, these shoes go back to like 2015 when they were released. They were one of the OG models with the Boost technology when this came out in 2015. Again, that's what all Yeezys used, and Ultra Boost and some other models. These were popularized by Kanye West when he was with Adidas at the time. Now we all know he isn't because he's on his own endeavors. But I have to say, like, just buying an NMD now, it feels nostalgic, right? Like this style here would never fizzle out. Like this is like a Rocher to me. You know, it's not a bad quality shoe. It's actually perfect for summer, which I will be bringing these to Europe when I go soon. So I mean, it's not like that bad. So as you can see here, you got the black colorway, you got the pods here, I call them, on this side, and on this side you got the other blocks. 1, 2, and then you got your full encased boost sole, and then over here you got your outsole. It's just triple black. All around very low-key kind of shoe. I mean, it's not really like in your face. Like if you're going to the gym, if you're chilling out or something, you know, it's not gonna be that bad. It's kind of undercover, so it's kind of like that way. If you like low-key styles, you want to wear black, you know, out there, you know, then this is a perfect shoe. But yeah, honestly, I gotta say that these shoes are very nostalgic for me. I've wanted a pair so much because all these guys would just wear these back then, like all the hype beasts. You know, you would wear like a Supreme tee, you wear some trousers with the zippers on the side, and then you wear the NMDs, right? It's a lifestyle shoe it's become now. So, I mean, it's a pretty good outfit. I'm not gonna do an on-feet for this one because I'm sure if you guys go on YouTube and look for on-feet, this YouTube's saturated with NMDs. I mean, so I really don't want to do an on-feet, but like what I had said, like you can wear red, black, blue, any color monochrome that you can wear with these, and it should look good. But yeah, and I got these at Sport Check. I'm in Canada, so I don't know if you guys have it there in the States or globally. I got these for $100. Honestly, they were on sale, so I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna get them and just enjoy them, right? So yeah. Now, I would have other models, but obviously I don't because I have a storage unit full of shoes that I still have to buy. And yeah, but honestly guys, this is going to wrap up my little review. Like I said, not much going on with the shoe. It's made out of recycled material. It's all one material. Then you got your boost outsole, and then it fits true to size 11, so go stick to true to size. Now, if you get the prime knit version of this, go down half a size because I find that to work better for sizing. But other than that, these shoes are gonna forever be iconic and classic, in my opinion, that is anyways. So guys, that will conclude my review. Again, I appreciate all the support I've been getting. These videos are continuously gonna come. Some videos are gonna be longer than others because just depending on what I'm reviewing, you know, just kind of all that stuff. I still got like a bunch of shoes to review, so it's gonna be a long one. But anyways guys, peace out, and I hope to see you in the next one. Okay? Get subscribed.